Hi and welcome to this short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to crop a video on the TikTok. So if you don't want to add any part of the video, you can simply crop it. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, open your TikTok, click on this plus icon. Once you will do it, now click on the upload. Once you will click on the upload and add any video. Once you will add a video, now simply go to the adjust clip, and once you will here, you can simply crop it from here and then click on this save button. So in this way you can crop video on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.